Hello friends, welcome to Embedded World. Today we are going to learn how to sort an array in ascending order in C language. So let's start with our code. So first I am going to declare an array assigning the element. Let's suppose 10, 14, 2, 9 and we have 13. So total elements is 5. Now let's define the size of an array. For this I am making a macro define size and size is 5. Now initializing two variables which we are going to use in our loop, int I and j. Now comes to our main logic. So we are going to use two for loop for I starting with a 0 and goes up to I is greater than to the size, and every time I am going to plus 5 value, and we can say that it is the outer loop and outer loop we are using to compare all the element of an array with another element. So next is inner loop for j starting with the I plus 1, because we are going to compare first element with the other element in the array and finding out which one is small. For that I'm going to run inner loop starting with the I plus 1 and goes to the size of the array and j plus plus. So what we are going to do is we are going to swipe the number when we get found a greater number than the first element. For this we are going to use if condition to check the greater or small element for array I is greater than array j. Now let's see the if condition. If the first value of I is 0 and the j value is 1, so we are going to compare the first value with the second. If first value is greater than the second, then it will goes to the if condition and swipe both the element. Let's suppose that here is the 40 and here is 10. So the value is 14 is greater than the 10. Then the program will do that. It will swipe both the element, and then in place of 14 10 will become, and in place of 10 it will 14 come. So we have adjust the element in the ascending order, and we will do for this condition for all the elements. Now write the swiping. So for that we are going to use a temp variable temporary to hold the value. So I am going to define a temp variable in the starting. So temp will hold the value of array I if I value is greater than that. Then what we are going to do is that we are going to assign the value of array I is equals to array j. We are going to assign the value of array j to array I because the value of the array j is small than the value of array I. Means that the value 10 is smaller than the 14. So we are going to assign this 10 value to the 14. So here we have assigned the value, and now the assigning value of the temp I is which is greater value in the element, we are going to assign it to the j value. Array j is equals to 10. Here we have swiped both the bit. Print the final result for the array for int z is equals to 0 and z is greater than the size of the array z plus plus, and we are going to print f %t and array z. Okay, so we have also print the array. We have write the code to sort an array in ascending order. Now let's run the code and see the result. Okay, you can see the result on your terminal. Here is we have the smallest number 2, 9, 10, 13 and 14. So we have now sorted the array in a descending order. So that's all for this video. If you like our video and if you have any doubt in this program, so you can comment below. I will be reply as soon as possible, and share the video if you like the video. Thank you for watching our video.